Life coaching is booming. People everywhere are turning to life coaches to help them set goals, overcome challenges, and achieve personal and professional success. But one question comes up all the time. Can a life coach accept insurance? Let's dive into the answer, explore the challenges, and look at some alternatives for making life coaching accessible. Here's the deal. Life coaching is generally not covered by insurance. Why? Well, life coaching focuses on personal development and goal setting, not on diagnosing or treating mental health conditions like therapy does. Insurance companies only cover services provided by licensed healthcare professionals, like therapists or counselors. Life coaching doesn't fall into that category. For example, therapists can bill insurance because they address conditions like anxiety or depression. Life coaching, on the other hand, helps with things like improving productivity, navigating career changes, or building better habits. It's more like hiring a personal trainer, focused on growth, not medical care. Now, let's talk about the challenges of accepting insurance as a life coach. First, there's the issue of credentials. Life coaching isn't a regulated profession, so there's no universal license that allows coaches to bill insurance. Then, there's the administrative headache. Even if it were possible, dealing with insurance claims can be a full-time job in itself. Because of these hurdles, only a tiny percentage of life coaches even attempt to work with insurance. But don't worry, there are plenty of other ways to make coaching work for you or your clients. Here are some great alternatives to insurance. Most life coaches use direct payments. Clients pay out of pocket for sessions, which keeps things simple. Some coaches offer sliding scale fees, adjusting their rates based on a client's financial situation. And package deals, like buying a set of 10 sessions at a discount, are another win-win option. If you think about it, life coaching is like hiring a personal trainer. People see the value in investing in their growth, even if it's not covered by insurance. Now, why is flexibility important? Offering different payment options makes coaching accessible to more people. In fact, nearly 70% of coaching clients say they're more likely to hire a coach who offers flexible payment plans. It's a great way to show clients that you're approachable and committed to their success. And here's where it gets exciting. Life coaching is becoming a key part of the wellness ecosystem. It's not just about personal growth, it's about total well-being. Coaches often work alongside therapists, personal trainers, and even corporate wellness programs. So even if insurance isn't on the table, coaching can still be part of a bigger support system. If you're thinking about becoming a life coach, certification is a must. It boosts your credibility and helps you stand out. Check out institutece.org for top-notch certification programs that can kickstart your career. Let's tackle some FAQs. First up, can life coaches bill insurance? Nope. Life coaching isn't classified as healthcare, so insurance companies don't cover it. Next, are there exceptions? Well, in rare cases, coaching might be partially covered if it's integrated into therapy or employer wellness programs, but it's not the norm. And finally, how can coaches make their services affordable? Sliding scale fees, payment plans, and group sessions are all great ways to keep coaching accessible. So, can a life coach accept insurance? Not usually, but that doesn't mean coaching isn't valuable. It's just a different kind of investment in yourself. By understanding the payment options and benefits, you can make the most of this transformative service. And if you're thinking about becoming a coach, head over to institutece.org to get started.